Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cable Bullet. A really common question we get is, do I need to tension at every one of my posts? And the answer to that is no, you do not need to do that. With Cable Bullet, you can go up to 20 feet between your tensioning posts. You just need some sort of cable support every 4 feet. And a lot of the times, if you're renovating a deck, the posts will often already be at that 4-foot spacing. So all you do is drill your holes and run your cables on through. Don't really have to worry about anything there. But what if you're building a new deck or just looking to downsize the number of posts you already have? Well, in that case, we recommend using our spacer bar kits. Now, these are specific to Cable Bullet. They have our spacing of 3 inches. These are already pre-spaced, but what they do is they provide the cable support necessary to make sure that over longer spans, you still have good cable spacing. Now, the cable spacer bars are great for your cable spacing, but for handrail support, you still want to have full posts. So what we recommend doing is alternating between your spacer bars at 4 feet, and then at the next 4 feet, having the full intermediate post providing that handrail support, and then alternating again to your cable spacer bars. Now, when it comes to your finished holes, you have a couple of options. You can leave the hole kind of unfinished as it is. That's totally fine. It's not going to damage your post, but what we recommend using for a more finished look is our post hole covers. Now, we have these in 2 versions. We have our standard post hole cover, which is just secured with a single screw. It has the general look of our tensioner without exactly matching it. It just gives a nice finished look to your railing. It's purely aesthetic, doesn't provide any tensioning. You want to make sure those are installed before you run your cables. Now, alternatively, we do have our deluxe post hole covers. These are machined to look exactly like our actual tensioners. They don't have any of the threading, they don't provide any tension. Again, these are purely aesthetic, but they give the uniform appearance to your entire railing. Now, these do actually provide a level of protection for your posts if you're on an angled run. These work for both level and angled runs if you're going downstairs. They do provide a small bit of protection so that your cable isn't pressing against the wood there. So those are your options for running your cables. You don't have to tension at every post. Again, you can go up to 20 feet between tensioning posts. You just need some sort of cable support every 4 feet. If you have questions about your deck, be sure to give us a call, talk to our customer support team. We'd love to help you out. Be sure to start your project at cablebullet.com.